Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how to delete your Facebook account. Please subscribe to the channel, write comments. Be sure to put likes. And share the video with your friends. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to Facebook. Then open the profile we want to delete. In the upper right corner, click Settings and Privacy, click Meta Accounts Center. See More in Accounts Center. Further here, we click on Personal Details, Account Ownership and Control, Deactivation or Deletion. Select your Facebook profile here. Click Delete Account and click Continue. Also select your account page and click Continue. For what reason we want to delete, select any reason. Press Continue. Press Continue. Continue again. Here we scroll down to the bottom, and we need to click Continue. After that, we need to keep the password of our Facebook account. After that, confirm again. And our account, click Continue, and our account will be deleted forever. And we can restore it within 30 days. If we go to this account again, and it will be restored. But after 30 days, it will be completely deleted. And it will not exist. This is the simple way to do it. If you liked this video and helped, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Write comments. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.